Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be doing another nail polish of the week video in which I just use one random color from my collection that just catches my eye while like glancing over the 3,000 plus bottles of nail polish, and I will be doing it for just my left hand today. I just didn't really feel like doing both hands. I have like still a massive tear in my middle finger on my right hand. I actually have some damages on my other hand as well. And to be honest, I think I'm going to cut my nails short really soon because I'm just tired of my nails having nail breaks. And it pretty much is because I like do a lot of cleaning around the house and I don't wear gloves. I'm in like hot water. I'm with like cleaning supplies. I'm just like all over the place. I have a really busy life at the moment because I'm taking care of not only my babies but my husband as well for more than a year already. So yeah, my nails have taken the toll, you know. They have taken some really heavy beating, and of course two little boys. Aeon is just 2.5, Apollo just turned 1 in May, so yeah, sometimes nails just get some breaks, some tears, and I just have to deal with it. And I'm going to cut them all short again soon and just start over fresh. But for now, let's just continue with the nail polish of the week because I'm already showing you the polish that I will be using, which is one by Zoya. I actually was quite inspired to look into my Zoya drawer again because of last week's video, which was the nail polish that makes me happy, like collection video, but it was all about reds, and there was one red Zoya polish in there, and I was like, oh, I really used to love Zoya polishes, but they are quite expensive and quite hard to get by as well here, at least in the Netherlands. But yeah, I was just like, let's just see what other nice like hidden gems I have in my Zoya stash and just pick one. And this one really caught my eye. This one is called Nisha. It is a beautiful dark purple, kind of like a bluish purple kind of tone. There's a very lovely shimmer in there as well. It actually applies really nicely. It's a little bit like more runny, a little bit more of a thin formula. It's not as thick as Catrice and Essence formula at the moment. So yeah, I did have a little bit of flooding around the cuticle area. I will be, or at least trying to clean that up with my little like nail polish or nail art brush. Like nail clean brush. I don't know. It's just a random I think it was a gel polish brush actually, but I just use it for cleanup because it is quite small and you can really get in the edges and stuff. But because this was quite a dark color, it is pretty difficult to get rid of and not ruin your entire manicure. You will see it in a little bit as well. Like I'm really, I don't know, like my mind has been so occupied. I'm just really sucky at painting my nails at the moment. There's just so much going on that I can't really seem to focus. And yeah, it's just, I'm all over the place at the moment. And I'm just trying to figure out life and kind of surviving as well. So yeah, that is pretty much why I'm really sucky at painting my nails at the moment and why it's like flooding all over the place. But you know, that's life, and you guys know me, I always share everything very raw and very like pure and direct, just as it is on my channel, because life isn't all like rainbows and sunshine. It can suck so hard as well. And you know, sometimes it just reflects in other things. If your mind is really occupied with stuff, you're stressed out, you're very busy, you're getting kind of burned out as well, you just don't have the most epic nail polish application that you used to have, you know. That just happens. But here you can see I'm just using my little brush and some acetone free nail polish remover. I get that question quite often, what kind of nail polish remover I use. I just use the most random one from my local drugstore. It doesn't contain any acetone because that dries out the skin on my fingers and hands even more, and since I'm already in so much hot water with cleaning supplies, that is just killing for the skin on your hands. My hands are super dry. I never really had super dry like hands or nails or anything like that. I'm always a little bit more on the oily side, but like seriously, cleaning like milk bottles and just cleaning the kitchen, like everything, oh, it's killing for my hands. I really should wear gloves, I know, but it's just such a hassle. So yeah, I really shouldn't be nagging because it's my own fault of not wearing gloves, but you know, nah, shit happens. But yeah, let's just get back to this beautiful polish because I'm already applying the second coat. I really think this is so beautiful. It is actually quite opaque on the first coat, even though the formula is a little bit more on the watery, like thin side. I'm really not hating on that. It's just something to keep in mind to not really like load up your brush with too much polish, because you will definitely, like me, flood your cuticle area and the skin next to your nail. And because it's such a dark color, it's quite like a handful to remove. But yeah, it's a really stunning polish. It is completely opaque within 2 coats, like the shimmer in there, it is stunning. I really feel like the more coats of polish you apply with this specific shade, the more depth and more intense the color payoff, and just the shimmer, like the layers of shimmer are beautiful. Like I don't know if it will look any better if I would have added a 3rd coat, because I'm already adding, like, the 2nd coat is quite thick, or like a lot of polish, I have to say. But I really love the look of this polish. It is so stunning. There's a lot of dimension and depth in there because of that shimmer. It's just beautiful. I don't know, there's something about this polish, it just makes my heart jump a little bit. It's really pretty, and I just love the way it looks on my longer nails, especially knowing I'm going to cut them short like at the end of this week or something. Yeah, I know a lot of people always get upset whenever I cut my nails, especially when they're at their like long length that they are right now. But you know, sometimes you just have to cut them short. I just don't want any like bloody, messy nail breaks in my nail bed, and that is something that is bound to happen, especially with my 2 younger boys. Like, they can be quite rough, you know, little boys, they're just all over the place. And you know, Aeon likes to wrestle with me. Sometimes your nail just gets hurt and you just have to take care of it. And you know, I know a lot of people are always upset, but at the end of the day, these are my nails, and whatever you do with your nails is your business. Whatever I do with my nails is my business. It's as easy as that. And I really want to do some nail art designs as well, because I've had a lot of requests from you guys to do more nail art. The thing is, doing nail art videos, they take up like double the amount of time than my nail polish of the week videos, or swatch videos, or nail polish that makes me happy videos. Those don't take up as much time, or at least to record. Like editing, I'm always quite fast with that, but like nail art videos, you have to wait like a lot of time, especially if you're doing like hand painted designs or like layered designs. You just have to wait a lot of time before you can continue with the nail art, and that is something like, that is time I just don't have at the moment. So I'm really going to try and do some nail designs on shorter nails as well, because I know a lot of you guys actually don't have long natural nails like I do here. So yeah, I really hope you would like to see more of that. Let me know if you have any special requests, like nail art wise, what to do. I'm thinking of doing a water marble, at least one. But yeah, this was pretty much the entire video. Let me know what you think, and as usual, I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.